Hey there, welcome back to the channel. My name is Max, and in this video, I'm going to give you the rundown and unboxing of the Keurig Mini or the K-Mini, and we're going to go over a couple of the features, how to use it, and we're going to get to the point where we actually brew a cup of coffee in this video, and this will give you a better idea of whether or not you want to buy it for yourself. So let's go ahead and jump into it, and I'll let you know all my thoughts, honest, unbiased, and yeah, I'll see you in just a second. All right, step one, we're unboxing it. So obviously this packaging is pretty basic. You can see kind of how it's structured with those lines in it, but it does tell you what's on the box and it doesn't look all that bad. So I don't really care about the box too much at this point. Let's just open it up and see what's included. All right, so before we open it up, or as I'm opening it up, I just want to let you know that this video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. So I'd really appreciate it if you could just drop a subscribe and leave a comment or something. But yeah. All right, so I open it up. You'll see we get a couple manuals. They're not really important. However, when I kind of got to brewing my own cup of coffee, I couldn't really figure it out. And I don't think that's a Keurig's fault. I think I'm just kind of like out of it sometimes, but either way, I figured it out. I opened up the manual, but you don't really need that manual for any way. I think it's just kind of some marketing copy. But yeah, you'll see here that it comes nicely packaged, and it comes in like 2 pieces of cardboard, pretty typical for something like this. And then it comes covered. I like that it's covered because obviously that's going to protect it in shipping. There's also tamper labels all over it, okay? Like little pieces of tape that ensure that it hasn't been kind of opened up, or at least that's what I think they're for. All right, let's talk design. You'll see right off the bat, it's kind of got the logo right on the front, and the top where you actually put the KCup, which we are going to talk about later on, has this nice little trim to it, this nice little silver looking trim, and it is made out of plastic, but it is still nice, looks good up until you kind of touch it, and then it seems like it's kind of plasticky. But either way, I mean, it makes coffee and it looks good, so I like it. All right, so moving to the back of the K-Mini, you'll see that we have this water reservoir that is closed off with a piece of tape. Now, when I was talking about tamper tape earlier, that's what I believe this to be. I could be wrong, but I mean, it seems that there's specific pieces on this K-Mini that are closed off by default, kind of to give you that reassurance that it hasn't been used. But as soon as I take it off, you see that I can open up the water reservoir, and that's actually where we're gonna put water in later on in this video, okay? All right, now moving to the bottom of the back, you'll see we have another piece of tape, and enclosed in that tape is a power cord. This extends out as far as you need up to its length so that you can pretty much put it wherever you want and have it still look good. All right, so moving to the top of the front, you'll see that it opens up and it actually has a little slot for a K-cup. Now what a K-cup is it's simply a cup with ground coffee in it, and you throw it in there and then you close it and it punctures it, and then it throws hot water into it and it comes out there, and if it misses your cup, it goes down into the bottom there and catches it. Okay, so that's how it works. Let's go ahead and just look at the process of pouring water into it and watching it come out into a cup, and then we'll be done. All right, so you can see here in this video that there's a couple different markers on the water reservoir. Now that's obviously so you can vary the strength of your coffee. I think what works really well for me is just filling up the amount of coffee I want to drink in a mug and then kind of pouring it in there and letting it do its thing. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is just kind of put your cup down there, turn on the Keurig, and then put the K-cup in. You want to do the K-cup after you've turned it on, or you'll have to reopen it and close it. So just turn it on, put the K-cup in there and close it. And after about 1 to 2 minutes, it will be done. Okay, it's going to take about 1 to 2 minutes to brew the coffee. I thought it'd be a lot quicker, but that's just me, and it's not even that bad anyway. Just put it in there, go do something else, and it'll be done in a couple minutes. All right, so final verdict. If you're a fan of making coffee at home and you don't want to spend $5 a day, then get a K-Mini because you can just throw in a cup. You don't really have to worry about the amount of coffee you're brewing. You can just throw it in and it'll make it for you, perfect strength, and that's exactly why I bought it. Now that's it for this video. I kind of just made this really quick because I want to get my channel off the ground, start making tech videos, and this is something that I thought would be a cool video to make on since I just bought it. And yeah, leave a like and subscribe if you want to watch more tech videos. They're going to just get better and better, and I'll see you in next week's video. Peace out.